Hello. This time I'm talking about the next conference that will take place here in Jericó, Antioquia, Colombia, during the August and October this year. The first stage is with the Foundation Luis Amigó University, which offer the conference about the Millennial Goals Achievement 2030. We are invited to co-develop this activity, the ECA-RAM Foundation and the Luis Amigó Foundation, with other universities from Colombia and around the world, working together with indigenous people, farmers, and citizens, developing the systematizing of their stories about sustainability from different perspectives. Inequalities, social inequalities, depletion, nature depletion, gold mining, deforestation, and many other activities, but mainly focused on environmental education for sustainable living. The natural order is our referring, which is useful to systematize, to encode, or to define best practices for sustainable daily living through diverse workshops, forums, symposia, conferences, etc. For more details, so please go through the internet and visit us in Colombia if it is possible. Thank you. We will see you soon.